Hi, welcome back, guys and gals. I got to get used to saying welcome back, everyone, not just guys, even though that's a generic term. But anyway. Welcome back, y'all. I wanted to show on this segment here, I replaced the entry door handle and the whole kit, the locking, everything. And to do that, when I first got the bus, there was a RV style latch that you open up and use, and it just never really fit tight, and it wasn't really what I wanted on here. I wanted more of a secure commercial duty lock and handle set. So what I did, I'll take you along here. So what I did is I replaced it with this here. Oh, please keep in mind, this is not finished. It hasn't been touched up with paint yet. I've still got to get the paint. This, I guess, wood paneling here, this has got to be replaced because, as you see, it was messed up pretty bad. Someone got in here and did something, but this is messed up pretty bad. So I'm going to replace this whole piece here, probably with some stainless or chrome, something, it looks a little, sharper than the black. I may just do black, I'm not sure, but I really like some diamond plate or some stainless. But at any rate, I'll show you some close-up here. I actually just got a 2x6 pressure treated wood in case water were to get in a little bit. 2x6, and just notched it and cut it so that it would actually fit up in there, and did all my measurements very carefully for the lock assembly. So the thing that, of course, this area is so thin, you need at least a couple inches for this residential door lock to hold, to squeeze and sandwich into. So I just used the 2x6. Now I've got a kit that made it very easy. It was one of those door lock installation kits or door handle installation kits you can get at Lowe's, Home Depot, and it really worked well. I just lined it up, drilled the holes, and then this popped right in there. I screwed it tight, and I had to do some modification. I made an aluminum plate here, as you can see, this to transition from this to here. I just needed an aluminum plate because where the prior RV style door was, it was a different pattern. It wasn't a residential, I guess, pattern as this is here, so I had to redo that. But all in all, it looked like it come down pretty good. It come out pretty good. I like it. Like I said, I'm not done. I've still got to do some paint here on the front, but this was actually done before I got it. But there's some touch-ups here and here, but it'll get there, and I can show you how it works. Works pretty solid, so I like it. And of course the original bus air lock works as well, which comes in here and actually pulls the door tightly against it. And this is a locking mechanism here that I can use with that, and that'll still work. And I'll show in future videos when I close this in and put a wall here, I'll be able to show you how I'm gonna have that work. But so far so good. I really like it. I just want to show you how, if you're doing a bus conversion, this is just another one. There's so many different door locks and door kits available on YouTube, as I'm sure you've seen all the bus conversion videos, but this is just another alternative. And I believe I got this one at Lowe's, and it was in the commercial area, and it was $65. I'm sure I can get on Amazon too, but I got this one at Lowe's. So, all right, well, that's all I wanted to show you guys on this one. Thanks for watching, and tune in. I've got a lot of videos coming up on some of the little chores I'm trying to get done. I don't have full funds to be able to produce a lot of content as far as putting a lot of expensive equipment and everything. I just simply right now do not have the funds for that. I'll go into that and explain in a future video how this all come to be and why I do this. This is my full-time gig right now, getting this to livable so I can have a home. So that'll be in a future video, and just have to be patient with me, everybody. Thank you, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Take care.